Today we're going to work on balance training, going through the stabilization phase, strength phase, and power phase. Our gym is currently under renovation, so we are improvising and using some different household items and stuff to make do, just helping to show how you don't always need to go to the gym to be able to do some of these workouts. We're going to start with, in the stabilization phase, single leg balance on an unstable surface. I normally use an Airex pad for this, or you could also use a Dynadisc. Today we're just using a different cushion that we have available to just make sure that he is on an unstable surface, and we're going to hold this 3 different sets for 30 seconds. Next is going to be single leg balance with reach in all directions. So you start off on single leg, reaching forward, reaching out to the side as far as you can, and reaching backwards. This is going to be done 2 sets with 8 in each direction, making sure that you're controlled and slow throughout it all, getting that motion and really reaching out as far as you can. Next is going to be single leg balance with a pushing motion using the dumbbells. It's going to be single leg and just push out, making sure he stays controlled throughout this movement. The next exercise is going to be single leg balance with pressing movement. That's also just single leg and then doing a dumbbell press all the way up, staying controlled throughout the exercise. Now moving on to the strength phase. Our first exercise for this day is going to be a single leg squat. This tempo is going to be a little faster, but you still want to make sure that it's controlled throughout. Our next exercise is going to be a single leg Romanian deadlift to overhead press using the dumbbells. With these you can go up weight if you want, and make sure you're controlled, reaching all the way down to the ground, and then lifting it all the way up overhead. Our last exercise for the strength phase is going to be single leg lunge to balance. So you want to make sure that you lunge out with the leg that you're going to be balancing on, and just like that, make sure you stay controlled throughout that movement. Now we're going to move into the power phase. We're going to start off this one with single leg hops, so you stay in one position and you're just hopping on one foot, getting some movement and power into that ankle. From here, we're going to use the stairs, and normally we would use a box or something for this, but as I said, right now we're improvising and making do. He's going to do single leg hop ups. So I'm going to use this hop on the single leg, then just step back down. Single leg hop ups. This is going to be 3 sets of 8, and before, those single leg hops were 3 sets of 10. The next exercise is going to be single leg box hop down. So he's going to start up on the stairs and then hop down onto that leg.